Law enforcement officers sometimes misuse their power, which is a problem for the public. That's why they're supposed to wear police cameras. These cameras show when officers do wrong things, which reveals that there's still some corruption in the police force. In our first case, a police officer misuses his power by conducting an unlawful search and targeting the victim by following her home.
No. I do no drugs, no nothing. Swear to God.
When Trooper Isaiah Lloyd stops a car for a supposed seatbelt violation, it escalates unexpectedly for the driver, Patricia Wilson. What should have been a simple ticket turns into an illegal search.
While he's doing that, do you take any prescription medication or anything?
No, I swear to God, I can say. No, I'm telling you now, no drugs, no nothing, no alcohol. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Sorry. What? I'm thinking of my mama over here. No. I do no drugs, no nothing. Swear to God.
Down real quick before we do anything. Before it was. Great thing, voice man.
Even though Trooper Lloyd has no evidence that Wilson is intoxicated, he continues to question her about drinking, which seems like a pretext. There's no logical reason why a seatbelt violation should lead to sobriety tests.
No, the only thing I take... No. The only thing I take is, and that's at night, I take, what's the name of it? To help me sleep. No, I think that's quarter. God, what is the name of it? Yes. I mean, it's not something that I take every day, but I normally have to take it every other night, but I don't take any kind of narcotic or anything else. I can't sleep. It is? I told them specifically I wanted nothing narcotic. Well, I took that for, I think, not even a month, and I thought it didn't work for me. But, I don't even remember the name of it because where it's generic, but,
Despite Wilson providing her license and registration, Trooper Lloyd persists with sobriety tests, even though it's clear she's not impaired. Wilson cooperates, completing all tests flawlessly.
There's the registration.
Can you give it back to her, we'll finish this up and we'll be done.
I've been asking for him forever.
You just stand there and place my car for him. Okay, put your right foot front foot, folks. Alright, stand like that. I'm going to demonstrate what I want you to do. You don't begin till I tell you to, okay? When I tell you to, what you're going to do is you're going to take 9 heel-toe steps in a straight line, like so. 1, 2, 3. This is your 9th step. You hold your left foot on the ground. Take your foot into small steps. Leave your left foot on the ground. Take 9 heel-toe steps back in the same direction you can, okay? Do 1, 2, 3, 4, until you get back to 9, alright? Keep your arms down by your side, stand out loud and look at your toes, okay? Any questions? 9 steps, on your left, 9 heel toe steps back, alright? Begin.
The police officer continues to test Patricia Wilson by making her do the one-leg test, which she does perfectly. Since there's no other reason to keep her, he just gives her a ticket for the original offense and lets her go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright. And if you want, on this next one, you can place uphill, downhill, left, right, I don't care, it's up to you, okay? What we're going to do next, you can put your heels and toes together, arms down by your side, raise one foot, I don't care which one, it's going to be 6 inches off the ground like so, arms down, both legs straight, you can stretch your toes and count out loud like so until I tell you to stop. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. You can do it like that. Everything want you to do? Downhill doing it?
Fine right here.
Begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027.
The other thing, have a seat back and I'll be back to you in just a minute, okay?
But the situation doesn't end there. The officer finds her again and pulls her over, this time claiming her car's window tints are too dark. This worries Miss Wilson, especially with her kids in the car. It's clear he stopped her because he recognized her vehicle. The officer seems to think he can charm his way out of things, maybe even hoping for another opportunity to harass her. While we can't hear what he's saying in the dashcam footage, it's obvious he has no valid reason to stop her or interact with her. Eventually, Isaiah Lloyd lets her go without issuing another ticket. However, Miss Wilson sues for sexual assault, alleging inappropriate touching during the search earlier. Isaiah Lloyd resigns from his position shortly after.